How content creators make money, unlocking YouTube earnings. The most common way to make money on YouTube is through Google AdSense, often simply referred to as AdSense, where creators earn revenue from ads shown on their YouTube channel. Google AdSense is just one method of monetization for YouTube channel owners. It's essential not to remain confined to just monetization strategies relying solely on AdSense, as there are numerous other methods available for generating revenue. It is important to develop multiple passive income streams. There are a total of 10 different ways to make money from your YouTube channel. The first 5 methods require your channel to be monetized, while the last 5 methods do not. Number 1. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is the primary method for YouTubers to make money by showing ads on their channels. These ads are shown before the start of the video, in between and after the end of the video. When viewers interact with these ads by clicking or viewing them, Google pays the channel owners a portion of the ad revenue generated. To earn ad revenue on YouTube, you need to sign up for the YouTube Partner Program. To sign up for the program, YouTube requires a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. In addition, you should not have any pending strikes with regards to the community guidelines or terms of service of YouTube to apply for the partner program. Google AdSense is the major source of revenue for content creators. As a channel receives more views, YouTube displays more ads on it, leading to higher ad revenue. Google retains a percentage of the ad earnings, while the rest is paid to the channel owners. This process is commonly referred to as channel monetization. It is important to point out here that if your videos contain age-restricted content for individuals aged 18 and older, or if your content is specifically targeted at children aged 13 or younger, then in these 2 scenarios, your ad revenue may be reduced. YouTube therefore requires all content creators to confirm and indicate this when uploading their video on the platform. Number 2. Merchandise sales. Creators can use the merchandise shelf feature to sell their own branded merchandise directly on their channel without redirecting them to external websites. This can include items like t-shirts, hats, hoodies, mugs, or other products relevant to the creator's content. For example, if your channel is about cats, you could offer various cat-related merchandise such as t-shirts or coffee mugs with cat-themed designs or cat toys, cat accessories, etc. Viewers can browse and purchase merchandise without leaving YouTube, and creators earn a profit from each sale. Viewers can purchase these items as a way to support their favorite creators, while also receiving tangible goods in return. This option is available once your channel is monetized. Since your channel already has a following, it will be a lot easier for you to sell merchandise related to your niche. Number 3. YouTube channel memberships. In 2018, YouTube started offering a feature called channel memberships, where viewers can subscribe to a creator's channel for a monthly fee. In exchange, members receive perks such as exclusive badges, emojis, bonus content, exclusive live streams, or access to members-only content that regular subscribers do not get to see. To become a member of a YouTube channel, go to its page and locate the Join button. Then select a membership tier, complete the payment process by providing your payment information, and then confirm your membership. The monthly membership revenue serves as a form of ongoing support for creators. The channel membership subscription can be offered in multiple tiers. For example, you could offer a basic membership option for $1 per month, extending up to an exclusive premium membership priced at $15 per month. If you provide only one membership option, it's easier for your channel subscribers to decline it. In this way, you can cater to all your subscribers by presenting them different packages, just like the way your local gym operates. The strategy here involves offering multiple tiers of membership, each with its own set of privileges and content, to encourage maximum participation and attract a larger number of subscribers to the paid channel membership. However, YouTube does take up to 30% of your earnings from channel memberships. If you are charging $5 for membership, then $1.50 will be taken by YouTube since you are using their platform. $1.50 might not seem much initially, but as your YouTube channel scales and expands, it will accumulate into a significant amount. Channel memberships are utilized by numerous content creators, particularly those operating within the educational, online training, vlogging, and gaming niches. For example, let's consider a scenario where a channel owner has 1 million subscribers and offers a membership program with a monthly fee of $5. Assuming that approximately 25% of its subscribers opt for the paid channel membership, they would have 250,000 paid channel subscribers. With 250,000 subscribers paying $5 each per month, the channel owner would generate $1,250,000 in revenue every month from their membership program. This figure excludes the Google AdSense revenue generated by the channel, which is separate and typically substantially higher. YouTube channel membership option is available only once your channel is monetized. Number 4. Super Chats and Super Stickers. Super Chats and Super Stickers are features on YouTube that allow viewers to support content creators during live streams or premieres by making monetary contributions to the channel owners. Both the features enhance viewer interaction and support creators financially. Normally, these chats and stickers require a loyal audience following, which is mostly common for celebrities or social media influencers. Super Chats offer a simple way for your audience to send quick donations or messages that appear in your live chat during streaming. If you've watched live streams on YouTube, you've likely seen these pop up on the screen. You can customize Super Chats with images, sounds, and music. This ensures you never miss a Super Chat, even if you're focused on a game or activity and can't constantly check the chat. When a viewer sends a Super Chat, their message is pinned to the top of the chat window for a specified duration, depending on the amount of the contribution, while the comments of the regular viewers are shown below in the live chat. Due to the high number of comments, in live streams, regular viewers' comments are often missed out. Super Chats help in maintaining better interaction with your audience since messages get noticed by both you and other viewers, encouraging more participation. Additionally, you can integrate Super Chats with services like IFTTTs, which allows you to connect your YouTube channel with smart devices. For example, you can set a smart light to change color based on the Super Chat amount. The possibilities for customization and interaction are vast and can significantly enhance the streaming experience for both you and your viewers. Super Chats are commonly used in gaming, lifestyle, and vlogging channels. In live streams, Super Chats are valuable tools for managing the overwhelming volume of comments in live streams. Similarly, Super Stickers are animated stickers or images that viewers can purchase and send during live streams or premieres. Similar to Super Chats, Super Stickers allow viewers to support creators monetarily while adding a fun and interactive element to the live chat. Super Stickers come in various designs and themes, and each sticker has a corresponding monetary value. When a viewer sends a Super Sticker, it appears in the chat window as an animated overlay, enhancing the visual experience for both the content creator and other viewers. Super Chats and Super Stickers are available once your channel is monetized. Another feature similar to Super Chats and stickers is called Super Thanks. Super Thanks is a YouTube feature that allows viewers to support their favorite creators by purchasing an animated Super Thanks comment on any uploaded video. The highlighted comment will appear distinctively, and creators can respond to these comments, further engaging with their audience. Super Thanks can be purchased at various price points ranging from $2, $5, $10, or $50. Viewers in eligible regions have the option to purchase the Thanks button, which is located beneath the video. This feature not only helps creators generate additional revenue, but also strengthens the connection between creators and their fans by enabling viewers to leave a personalized, highlighted comment that can be seen by everyone watching the video. Channel monetization is required in order to use this feature. Number 5. YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a subscription service that offers an ad-free experience and access to exclusive content for its subscribers. Subscribers enjoy an ad-free experience across all videos on the YouTube platform, eliminating interruptions from advertisements. However, creators still receive a share of the revenue generated from their YouTube Premium subscribers who watch their content. This revenue is based on watch time from premium subscribers across all videos on the platform for that specific channel. This means that channel owners receive payment for their content, whether viewers are watching it for free with ads or through a YouTube Premium subscription. This ensures that content creators are fairly compensated, no matter how their audience accesses their content. For this option, you have to have your channel monetized on YouTube. Number 6. Brand promotion. Brand promotion is a common way for creators to earn revenue on YouTube. Brand promotion involves collaborating with companies or brands to promote their products or services in videos. Creators may feature sponsored content, product placements, brand shoutouts, or endorsements within their videos in exchange for payment or other compensation from the brand. It is also common for content creators to promote brands that are relevant to their niche. Let's say there's a personal finance YouTuber who creates videos about budgeting and saving money. They could highlight the importance of using a cashback credit card to maximize savings on everyday purchases. In a video discussing the benefits of cashback credit cards, the YouTuber could feature a specific credit card from a financial institution that offers generous cashback rewards. They might explain how the card works, its features and benefits, and provide tips on how viewers can use it effectively to earn cashback on their spending. Brand promotion on YouTube doesn't require a channel to be monetized by YouTube. Brands can directly collaborate with creators to sponsor content or promote their products or services, regardless of whether the channel is monetized or not. However, brands typically approach channels with a significant following and viewership, as they're looking to reach a large and engaged audience. Creators with a loyal fan base and high levels of engagement are more likely to attract brand partnerships and sponsorship opportunities. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Creators can include affiliate links in their video descriptions to products or services they recommend. When viewers click on these links and make a purchase, the channel owner earns a commission from the sale. In this scenario, you do not have to manufacture any product or service. The best thing about affiliate marketing is that you do not need to make a website, stock inventory, ship the product, invest in customer service, after-sale support, etc. All you need to do is share a link to an affiliate, using your online presence to generate traffic and earn commissions. The links can be found in the description below the YouTube video. There is no limit to the number of affiliate links you can share. Whenever a sale is generated via the links included in your YouTube video, you are eligible to earn a commission. For example, your YouTube channel is about gym and fitness, and you share workout routines, exercise tutorials, advice on the best supplements, etc. Here you can easily incorporate affiliate marketing into your content strategy by partnering with fitness-related companies and promoting their products or services to your audience. Those products could include workout equipment, supplements, fitness apparel or gear, fitness books, etc. For each sale generated from traffic directed through your YouTube page, you will earn a commission. Since YouTube views are in millions, the revenue from affiliate sales is huge. Affiliate commissions can be on per lead, per sale, or per conversion basis, depending upon the affiliate partnership deal that you sign up with the individual companies. The most common method for affiliate sales is by signing up to be an Amazon associate. Other famous affiliate programs are CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, and eBay Partner Network. You could also give the direct link to a company's website for which you sign up to be an affiliate. To sign up to be an affiliate marketer, it is not required for your channel to be monetized, as the brand will pay you directly. However, affiliate links are normally successful only if you have a good following already built up on YouTube. Number 8. Lead generation. Lead generation on YouTube can indirectly lead to money being made by channel owners through the process of capturing, nurturing, and converting leads into paying customers or clients. Lead generation refers to the process of identifying and attracting potential customers or leads for a business's products or services by creating content relevant to your particular niche. By leveraging the power of video content to attract and engage viewers, YouTube channel owners can build a loyal audience, drive traffic to their lead generation funnels. While YouTube itself doesn't directly facilitate lead generation, channel owners can use their videos to drive traffic to external landing pages, websites, or sales funnels where viewers can opt in to receive more information or offers. It is very common in real estate, insurance, used car dealership, etc. The channel owner will get a certain percentage of commission for the leads that they generate. For leads generation, it does not matter whether your YouTube channel is monetized or not. Number 9. Donations or crowdfunding. Donations or crowdfunding on YouTube refers to the process where viewers contribute funds directly to support their favorite YouTube channels. Channel owners can set up a PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App account to receive direct donations into their accounts. They can include the link in the video descriptions or channel bios for direct donations. Creators also use third-party crowdfunding platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter, or GoFundMe to solicit donations or funding for specific projects or initiatives. These platforms are separate from YouTube, and it does not matter if the channel is monetized or not. Supporters can contribute financially to the creator's channel in exchange for perks, like early access to content, exclusive updates, or personalized shoutouts. Number 10. Digital products and sale of services. Beyond merchandise, there are many creators that sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, software, or consulting services related to their channel's specific content. These products can provide additional value to viewers while also generating revenue for the creator. Digital products differ from physical merchandise in that they are intangible and typically delivered electronically. Digital products don't require physical inventory management or shipping logistics, making them highly scalable and cost-effective to produce and distribute. Let's say you run a YouTube channel about photography and give tutorials and tips for beginners. Over time, your channel has gained a significant following of photography enthusiasts who appreciate your informative and easy-to-follow videos. In addition to providing free content through your YouTube channel to your audience, you can also offer paid services such as photography tutorials and coaching sessions. You can create a dedicated landing page on your website and share its link in your YouTube videos, where interested viewers can sign up. Since you already have an audience that follows you on YouTube, they have a high level of trust already established. Therefore, it is a lot easier to sell your services to that particular audience. There is no need for your channel to be monetized to sell your services. The size and viewership of a YouTube channel are critical factors that influence its potential earnings from the various methods discussed in this chapter. Channels with larger audiences, higher engagement rates, and a significant number of subscribers typically have more opportunities to generate revenue through methods such as Google AdSense, brand promotion, channel memberships, sponsorship deals, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. As a channel grows in size and popularity, it attracts more advertisers, sponsors, and collaboration opportunities, thereby enhancing its earning potential across different revenue streams.